the safety measures? What is it that you can do for you to avoid such heat-related emergencies? One of the safety measures to do is to hydrate regularly. When the temperatures are high, you don't have to wait until you feel thirsty. It's always good practice. You take water regularly. But again, don't overdo it. One of the safety measures, the second thing that you can do is use cooling measures. Or what I'm talking about here is you can take shower regularly. You can decide to do swimming. Another thing that you want to do is you need to schedule your activities during that time that you know that the temperatures will be extreme high, that you don't want to be involved in activities that they need a lot of energy and you lose a lot of heat. What I can say is another thing that you can do to avoid such emergencies is that you don't want to expose yourself to the sun, to the heat. The temperatures are high, ensure that you take shelter. Move to a tree where there's a shade. Again, stay indoor, but don't stay in a place that it is not well ventilated, like locking yourself in a vehicle or staying in a room that it is not well ventilated. That can worsen because of the humidity there. It can worsen the situation. Alcohol should be reduced or stopped during this time, especially when the temperatures are high. You realize that when you take alcohol, then you are going to affect the diuretic hormones. They'll not be in a position to regulate the water. Already the water is, and then you realize that at this point you are being exposed to high temperatures. The body will be losing that water very fast. When it comes to the meals, one thing that you need to note is it's good practice for you to take a small meal regularly rather than having a big meal. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're not subscribed in the link below, kindly do so. And if you have any other measure that we can use for us to help us manage this condition, then kindly leave it in the comment below. Thank you very much.